Welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for joining us today as we share another beautiful glimpse into the wonders of the natural world. Deep within the quiet forest, we find a small troop of monkeys going about their day. Among them, a mother and her tiny newborn share a tender moment. But nearby, another female monkey sits in silence, visibly weak and struggling, as if carrying a heavy burden of pain. The little baby is incredibly fragile, so small and weak that he cannot even take his very first steps yet. He is absolutely beautiful to look at. If you look closely at his tiny hands, you'll be amazed. They look so remarkably similar to the delicate, soft hands of a human infant. These three share an unbreakable bond, remaining closely by each other's side. Yet a mystery lingers here. Is the mother the one suffering from the exhausting pain of childbirth, or has another caring soul stepped in to nurse and protect this fragile new life? Their silent struggle tells a story we can only begin to understand. No matter how difficult the circumstances, they refuse to leave one another behind. They watch over, shield, and comfort each other in times of need. It is a beautiful, silent lesson in love and loyalty that puts our own human world to shame. As the warm afternoon sun filters through the trees, they huddle close together, falling into a peaceful sleep. Bound by love and survival, their quiet unity is a beautiful reminder of the power of family. Let us truly appreciate and cherish this heartwarming bond. If this emotional story of love and survival touched your heart, please take a moment to like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to our channel for more beautiful stories from the wild. Thank you for watching.